Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And we got a problem here. I'm at the forest and I'm gonna show you guys a phone that I never expected I would get. It is none other than the CC9 Pro Premium Edition. Oh yeah. And if you guys know, I was trying to get this phone yesterday, but got completely screwed out of it by a vendor, and in a rush went to get the Mi Note 10. This is not the Mi Note 10, this is the Mi Note 10 Pro and CC9 Pro Premium Edition. 8 gigs, 256 gigs of storage. This phone is like a unicorn, and I managed to snag one unit of it right here. Now, what is the difference between this and the Mi Note 10 or CC9 Pro regular? The major difference obviously are the storage capacities, but you also have in this phone the P8 lens versus the P7 lens, and most importantly, this is the phone that DXOMark tested that scored that 121 winning champ score. This is the phone itself. It has not been tested on almost any other channel, but I have it here now to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm super excited because the Mi Note 10 I got was in the white color, and here is the CC9 Pro Premium Edition in this gorgeous kind of like emerald green. Now let's put that aside, see what else is in the box. Just gonna slide that over here. And you can tell the CC9 Pro branding is a little bit different than the branding of the Mi Note 10, which is more like Samsung black box. You have the papers and you have your case inside, looks pretty similar there. And then you have your China plug and your USB-C charging cable. So, I know you guys don't really care too much about the unboxing, but I wanna do the full unboxing later on. And here is the CC9 Pro. I literally just opened it to turn it on so I can now show you guys the CC9 Pro in all its glory. Let's go ahead and take off this plastic. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's do it together. Oh, that was nice. And I like that the Mi Note 10 actually shows all the specs up front. This just says CC9 CC on the front. Let's go ahead and take the sticker off as well. And I gotta say, I do like this color. I'm a huge fan of green, as you know. If you don't know, go Irish. I'm a huge fan of green. This is more of an emerald green, but now let's kind of move the camera up and have a look at this phone right here. Okay, so here we go. So talking about design, similar to the Mi Note 10, I reviewed that phone just yesterday, but the major difference here is that this is this kind of emerald color, and it's looking very nice. Let me try to get the right angle of it there. A lot of sensors on the back, 5 on the back, and like I said in an earlier impressions of the Mi Note 10, this really does feel like almost like a P30 Pro, and the OnePlus 7 Pro had a baby, and this is it with a flat top and bottom. So you have an IR blaster, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and this screen, I do like it. It's almost like a bluish green. It's not so green. It's actually a little bit more, it's almost like a turquoise, I would say. And obviously the design and the display, same as the Mi Note 10, 6.47-inch display, beautiful AMOLED display. And I've enjoyed the one on the Mi Note 10, which I'll compare to this in a second. Those phones have a lot of similarities. Like I said, I don't mind, the curved edge. I don't love it, but it's something I can get used to. And then obviously the display is also full HD. It is AMOLED though, so you get those inky blacks, and that is going to be the main point of this CC9 Pro Premium Edition. In terms of specs, like I said, it's the Snapdragon 730G, so the same as the Mi Note 10, but this is the 8GB 256 gigs of storage version, and I can show you guys right here. And let's go ahead to go to additional settings. Actually, I think it's at the top here. Just a second. And guys, I'm telling you right now, this phone was so hard to get. There it is, the CC9 Pro Premium Edition. This is a different phone, and the camera is the main reason why it's a different phone. But like I said, this is the only version that has been tested by DXOMark, and the only one that got that 121 score, that tying score with the Mate 30 Pro. So I'm very excited to test that out. Everything seems pretty similar right now, and obviously with audio, we do have that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it looks all right to me running MIUI version 11.0.4. This is the China ROM version though, so clearly that's going to be different than the global ROM version, which I'm more of a fan of just because it has Google Apps pre-installed. This always has a lot of bloatware that I need to put in. But now let's go to it. The camera, this is that Penta camera on this phone. But most importantly, what separates the CC9 Pro Premium Edition from the regular edition? What separates this Mi Note 10 Pro from the regular Mi Note 10? It's the improved lens. It's that P8 lens that you have on the back, which should create for better optics. And let's face it, that is the phone that was tested by DXOMark. This is the phone in my hands that was tested by them. And let's go take a classic Frankie Tech camera shot. I've been doing some shots here with the Mi Note 10 earlier, and it's doing a great job. There you see CC9 Pro AI Penta camera. Let's zoom in there. The quality looks incredible. Let's go ahead and do a 50-time zoom shot because that's, I know, the one that you guys love the most. And there you go, 108 megapixels is going to be a giant file, but it doesn't stutter too much at all to do it. And let's go ahead and go to that 50-time zoom. Just like yesterday, it takes a little bit of hand kind of moving around, but let's see if we can take a photo of up there. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And as you can see, what was I looking at from all the way in the distance there? Let's see if I can show you the before and after. That little green awning over there and the text in the distance. This is incredible zoom that you're getting, and you can see it all the way, Compu something. But when I zoom in, there it is. And it looks pretty good. I think it did really well last night on the Mi Note 10 when I was comparing it. And I think the main point of why I was so caring to check out this version of the phone, one, I obviously love the storage. I love the extra RAM. But most importantly, I feel like there's been a bit of disinformation kind of going on. You know, I don't know what the deal with Xiaomi was to make this version the only version they gave DXOMark to test. Why didn't they give the regular version of the phone out? This is the Mi Note 10 Pro, the CC9 Pro Premium Edition, and it is the version that they've been touting for that DXOMark score. But the DXOMark Champ is here, and I'll go kind of put it down now next to, I will show you here, the regular Mi Note 10 that I got yesterday, taken out of its case. It's a gorgeous phone. In fact, I think I like this color probably even better than the regular Premium Edition color. And kind of showing you them two right next to each other, but two really beautiful colors of phones. And so now let's talk about it. You guys are thinking, Frankie Tech, what is going on? You know, you got your situation right now. And, you know, I was saying I wasn't going to be picking up any phones anytime soon. And then all of a sudden I pick up the same phone twice. Now that was not meant to be. That wasn't a plan. And to be completely honest, I don't plan on keeping both of these phones. In fact, I probably won't keep either of these phones for too long, but I will be reviewing them. And I have an opportunity here, guys. I do have an opportunity. I now have both the CC9 Pro regular, or the Mi Note 10, and the Mi Note 10 Pro in my possession. This is a chance for me to kind of do some interesting videos here. This is a chance for me to actually share my thoughts and really see, is there any difference between the regular Mi Note 10 and the Mi Note 10 Pro? This phone has probably been the hardest phone I've ever had to get. This is almost 2+ weeks delayed from when I was trying to get it. If I'd known it was going to take so long, yeah, sure, I probably would have reviewed the regular Mi Note 10 first. But I'm so glad I finally have this premium edition in my hands. The DXOMark Champ is here, and I can't wait to share all the results, all these awesome photos with you guys, and comparing it to the other great cameras that I have, like the Pixel 4 XL, like the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the Galaxy Fold, among others. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks again for all your support. It's been a really tough week, but I needed something good to happen. And today, shout out to my man Lampo. You did it again, man. I ain't going to any other vendors in the future, man. You got to stick with who you trust. And this morning, he messaged me. He had one unit available. He said 4 p.m. I was here by 3:30, and he said it arrived. I picked it up, and now I have the CC9 Pro Premium Edition to share with all of you guys. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. So stay tuned. Hit me up with any questions, any kind of specific comparisons you want to see. I do want to put this Mi Note 10 and Mi Note 10 Pro next to each other to really see, is it worth really kind of waiting for this premium edition, which is so hard to get over the regular, or are you kind of just better suited picking up the regular Mi Note 10 CC9 Pro regular? I will share those results very soon. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.